That's my Braeburn apple. I had grafted this apple tree in August 2014. Did the saddle graft, which has grown nicely. On the same branch, it was budded pinklady, which also has grown. On the other side, that is coxpippin orange. It was ripened tongue graft. It has come up with 3-4 nice buds, and they are all growing. Just above that, that is Lord Lambourne. That was a ripened tongue graft. And now the grafting giant is almost disappearing. Hard to see where the grafting was done. It has grown nicely. Some new buds have come out. All the flowers which came out, I had to cut them. On the same tree, I grafted pear on it in March 2015, which has grown. That is a pear on apple tree. I did a few more grafts on the same apple. That one is another variety called Spartan. That was grafted on 31st of March 2015. It has grown nicely. Just on the side, that little bit, that is L-star variety, and it was grafted using the method side graft. And just above that, that is Orlean Renette. That was side grafted on 9th of April. A little bit growth has come out, which is not very encouraging, but time will tell. Either it grows or it goes into reverse gear. Just above that is a Baker's Delicious, which was side grafted, has come up with some nice growth, nice buds, and on the side of the same There's another variety which was grafted. It hasn't grown yet, but we'll see the result. And just above that, that is Worcester variety. It has now started shooting a bud out. It was done whip and tongue on 4th of April 2015. And that little growth is coming out of it. That is a saddle graft on one of the shoots. That grafting was done in August 2014, and saddle graft has come up nice. Next to it, that is Cleft Graft. That is the grafting giant, which is still wrapped up in tape. That one is Cleft Graft. And on next to it, that is a whip and tongue graft. That is a pinklady. It was budded in August 2014, and both buds, they have started growing.